Chris Srikanth finally broke his silence but once again refused to take the tough questions over why the BCCI overruled the selectors and backed Mahendra Singh Dhoni. While Srikanth also took a dig at Amarnath for revealing the meeting details, he himself needs to answer just who is he protecting.
A man who has plenty of questions to answer. Chris Srikanth finally broke his silence.
I always believe that what we as selectors and me as chairman in the past, even today, I don't come and tell anybody what I spoke to the players, what happened or what transpired in the selection committee meeting.
Missing from the statement, answers to the difficult questions.
Was there any discussion on removing Dhoni?
It was this interview on the News Hour where Amarnath revealed how MS Dhoni was shielded, sparking off a national debate.
Was there any discussion on removing Dhoni?
Definitely there was a discussion. I'm not denying that. Definitely there was a discussion to replace Dhoni with somebody else.
One question, sir.
Chris hasn't answered Times Now's direct questions.
One basically is saying that BCCI is trying to overrule this selection.
Avoiding the tough questions he faces. Instead, taking a veiled jibe at Amarnath.
Whatever happens within the selection committee meeting, it should be within the four walls, and I don't think anyone should come out in the public and say what exactly transpired.
A few have been critical of Amarnath.
Yeah, it is his individual opinion, so I don't want to get into it. But I feel that when you are working for the BCCI, you're part of BCCI. All the selection discussion should be remain in the room only.
But some big names like Sunil Gavaskar have hailed Amarnath's courage in opening a Pandora's box.
One question, sir.
Times Now has already asked Chris to come on a discussion, but he continues to be evasive, stating he is contractually obligated not to speak more than he already has. But is the credibility of Chris now at stake unless he explains why he overruled Amarnath and a majority of the selectors? Since there is a serious question of conflict of interest, can he be evasive anymore? Do you buy Chris's argument that his decision to overrule a majority of the selectors need not be justified? Does he mean he is in an absolute minority? He alone knows what is good for India and the Indian team. Can Chris Srikanth simply get away by stating that Dhoni controversy is the selector's secret? It's time to open up Mr. Srikanth. Sports Bureau Times Now.